Forewarned weather with Damian Lotus.
And welcome back. Thank you for joining us this Sunday morning. We're going to be off to a chilly and windy start thanks to a cold front that's sweeping its way across the state. I'm also going to be watching out for the threat of some severe weather as we head into this afternoon. Let's get you ready here first with a recap of the storms we had yesterday. Each one of these little icons you see are storm reports from yesterday, and we have a lot of wind, primarily wind reports across the state, and a couple of hail reports north of Chickasha along Highway 81 near Minco. But overall, that was the primary thing we saw. The winds were the main risk we had yesterday, and we actually have some pretty impressive video to share with you taken from our storm trackers yesterday. So the winds, we always talk about this. The winds, especially for high profile vehicles when severe weather, can do a lot of damage. This is a flipped over semi truck. They got it back upright to clear the roads, but this is the kind of wind we saw yesterday. And unfortunately, it's also looking like this is going to be the kind of wind we're going to see once again this afternoon. So we're not done with the severe weather threat just yet. So let's go and switch back over and show you what I'm tracking for this morning. All those thunderstorms I was tracking earlier this morning around midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., those are now starting to exit their way off to the east here out of the state. But across central Oklahoma, there were some light showers earlier between Guthrie up towards Stillwater, but those have since rained themselves out here as they continue to drift their way off to the north. Here for Oklahoma City, cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and chilly weather. But overall, it looks like it's dry, and it looks like, fortunately, it's going to stay dry here for those marathon runners. So I outlined the course here for this morning, and I also put the radar on here for you. So no rainfall right now, but I will point out to the runners out there, because of the rainfall and the storms we had yesterday, the course will still be wet, so keep that in mind. That's what we're going to be looking at as we head throughout the rest of the morning. So zooming back out, anything close to the metro is now starting to work its way off to our east. You can possibly still see a little bit of lightning there on the horizon as you look out to the east as the sun is getting ready to come up. But the main thing I want to point out is this little faint line you can see right there pushing right to the south of Purcell, about to push into Lindsay, eventually into Pauls Valley and Wynnewood. That is the leading edge of the cold front. And behind that, we're already starting to see temperatures dip. We've already dipped about 5 degrees here for Oklahoma City. So not only are we going to see chillier conditions, we're also going to see some driving north winds for this morning. Also got one little thunderstorm developing here just to the east of Ardmore. It's going to push its way up to the northeast about 30 miles an hour. Looks like it's going to miss Tishomingo just to the north, so I'll continue to track that. But as of right now, no severe weather in the state of Oklahoma. But unfortunately, it's not looking like that trend's going to hold as we head into the afternoon hours. Temperatures outside across the state behind the cold front, 40s and 50s. These little blue numbers you see are live wind gusts from the Oklahoma Mesonet. We're starting to see those 20 to 30 mile an hour winds out there. We're in the 60s and 70s across southern parts of the state. So one last look here at your Memorial Marathon forecast. We'll see temperatures right now in the mid 50s, but as the sun comes up and as the start of the Memorial Marathon, we'll see temperatures in the low to mid 50s. So temperatures are actually going to dip here as the sun comes up and the race kicks off. I'm also going to put about a 20% chance of some isolated showers there. Can't rule out the possibility of a few stray showers, but overall looks like it's going to stay dry. So future track radar showing by 9 a.m. this morning, cloudy skies. We're actually going to see a lot of clearing and sunshine across northwestern Oklahoma, but heading into this afternoon around 1 to 2 o'clock, storms will form across southern Oklahoma, and they will expand here by about 5 o'clock this afternoon. Overall, the severe threat looks like it's going to stay off to our east and off to our southeast, but we could see some rumbles of thunder here for the Oklahoma City Metro. Those storms are going to last well as we head into the evening. Right around 10 o'clock tonight, that's when it looks like we'll see the highest potential for severe weather, but mainly across southeastern parts of the state. That's going to last here as we head into tonight. So for today, where it's sunny, we're going to see highs in the 70s. Where it's cloudy and we see the rainfall, we're going to stay stuck in the 50s and 60s. So it's going to be an interesting temperature forecast for this afternoon. So here's the overall threat of severe weather. It looks like it's primarily going to stay to the south and to the southeast. There will be a hail threat here for this afternoon, but mainly small hail. Nothing like what we saw yesterday, that's for sure. And there will once again be a threat for some strong winds. Those winds I was discussing earlier that flipped over those vehicles on the highway. About 50 to 60 mile an hour straight line winds possible for southern and southeastern parts of the state. And there will once again be a tornado threat across southern and southeastern Oklahoma this afternoon. But once again, that tornado threat nowhere near what we had as high as yesterday. So here's the overall storm impacts for this afternoon. A very low tornado threat. It looks like if storms do form, they will be capable of producing large hail damaging winds. That looks like that's going to be the primary threat I'm tracking as we head throughout this afternoon and into this evening. So let's go give you a look at your 7-day forecast. I'll be tracking afternoon temperatures in the 50s here for the Oklahoma City metro. About a 40% chance some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Cloudy skies tomorrow, highs in the 60s. I do want to point out Monday night, Tuesday morning, we could see some lows in the 30s. But man, Tuesday's looking good. Sunny skies, highs in the 60s. That's going to be my kind of late April weather. So we'll continue to track it. We'll have our trackers out and about this afternoon to watch out for the threat of severe weather.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Damian. And we continue.